If your iPhone keyboard is lagging or typing slow, this video will help you to fix it. This usually happens because of background load, storage issues, or keyboard settings. So, let's get to the fixes. Solution 1. Turn off Predictive Keyboard or autocorrection. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General, tap Keyboard, turn Predictive off. This reduces keyboard processing load. Solution 2. Free up storage. Go back to Settings, tap General, tap iPhone storage. Make sure you have at least 3 to 4 GB free space. If storage is full, keyboard can lag. Solution 3. Restart iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, quickly press and release volume down, then press and hold the power button. Release when you see the Apple logo. Now test the keyboard again. So that's it. Your keyboard should work smoothly now. If this video fixed your problem, then please like this video, comment, and share with your friends who are facing the same.